The nature of the consciousness is empty. It's void. It's nothing. It's without the layers. And to see consciousness as it is, we need to stop adding layers. We need to stop adding our imagination, our ideas on it. Right now, that's what's happening. And we don't even realize that we are consciousness. Our nature is consciousness. And to see who we are truly, we need to let go what we have become so far to get to see the truth. And instead of decluttering, we are adding more and more layers, thinking that adding layer is the way to get to the truth or get to the consciousness. These days, meditation is a trend, isn't it? Everybody is doing meditation to find the true self, or to see the consciousness, or to be free. There's a different names for the consciousness these days. And now, meditation is a trend. Everybody is doing meditation. And when people are starting the meditation, what people are doing is bringing idea in the head and staying with that idea when they are doing the meditation. The idea means the bodily technique, mantras, the mental focal point. There are lots of stuff in meditation. And we don't even realize that when we invite that mental technique, physical technique, mantras or visualization, that itself is the dot on the consciousness. And intensely focusing on that point, that mantra visualizes the bodily technique itself is keeping us away from what consciousness is. We need to let go the techniques to see what consciousness is, to see who we truly are. This is the reason everyone is failing to see the truth